Hey class, sorry for the delay. I'm about to turn the week 3 module on, and I just wanted to go over it a little bit before I do so. Sorry, you might hear my son. Um, Ideally, I would have turned this on a day or two ago, but yeah, unfortunately, I'm just behind on a lot of things. Um, So the start page has to be viewed before, which gives you an overview of the week. I guess I'm giving you an overview right now as well, but please read it. That unlocks the alignment page, which explains what assignments line up with what course objectives. Then that unlocks the third required viewing page, um, which is a pair of lectures about introduction paragraphs. Um, I know ideally. Uh, we would have gone over introduction paragraphs before I asked you to write a draft with an introduction, but um, yeah, somehow this is just how it worked out. These recordings are from last year. I didn't have a chance to redo them, but also the content hasn't really changed. The final page to view to unlock the assignments in the module is this one about peer review. There's a lecture that's been split into two videos or two PowerPoints about peer review, and then there's a few questions to answer about these lectures. And then after you've done that, the rest of the module will unlock. Where are we? Down here, which includes a few discussion boards. We've got peer review practice. The peer review practice and the quiz about peer reviews are due midweek, the 6th. The goal, I have everything due at the end of the week, but these are due midweek because I'd like you to um, have them done before you uh, peer review each other's um, essays. And then I have some peer review practice, which is also due on the 6th. And then the actual peer review is due on the 8th. And then the final draft is due on the 12th. Um, I would like to be giving you feedback on your rough draft, on your working drafts as soon as possible. I'm probably going to skip catching up on grading some other things so that I can jump into doing that. And hopefully, Monday, you'll have feedback from me. But I also want you to be giving feedback to each other. Um, it's uh, it's good to both be exposed to each other's writing and to get practice with talking about writing. It's kind of a win-win all around if all goes well. And that's the majority of the assignments for this module. This module's a little lighter than the other modules. It might not look like it, but there's really very few assignments. There's some introduction practice. There's another discussion practice. There are quite a few extra credit assignments. There's 3 sets of student hours that hopefully all of them will work this time. There's 2 textbook readings that are extra credit assignments. There's an extra credit discussion. There's an extra credit discussion about time management, more memes. Good stuff all around, I hope. If you have any questions about any of these assignments or the timeline or anything that we're doing in week 3, please send me a message and let me know. Fingers crossed, I'm hoping that I'm feeling well enough to come into class on Wednesday, but just in case, be ready for it not to happen. I'll send out a notification on Tuesday evening. Also, it's possible that I'll be feeling better, but I'll be called into jury duty. I'm scheduled for another COVID test on Monday. I guess we'll see how that goes. So anyway, yeah, if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, as always, keep your liver clean.